patient's ventilator alarm is screaming high pressure. So what do you do next? As in our team, my first move is to go straight to the patient, not the ventilator. Are they biting their tube? Do they look like they're in distress? Always check your patient first. Next, I would listen to the chest. It could be secretions, bronchospasm, or even a kinked tube. A quick suction most of the time can fix a lot of these issues. If the patient looks fine and I don't hear an obstruction, then I check the circuit. Is there any water buildup, kinks? And if all looks good, then I start troubleshooting the vent settings. Maybe tidal volume is too high, compliance is poor, or they're coughing against the breath. Vent alarms are not just noise. You have to pay attention to them. And if you need more help breaking down mechanical ventilation or want tools to make this easier, I built some amazing study guides and resources just for you. They're linked in my bio.